How to lock screen in Windows 7. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, click on Windows logo located on bottom left corner of your screen. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Power button and then click on Sleep, which is the first option of all update and shutdown. Click on Sleep and your device will be locked. After it's locked, you can simply add your password and log into your PC. After doing that, you can simply use your PC, or you can also add lock screen to enable this. This is how to lock screen in Windows 7. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.